could be a nice little play. We come in, sweep these lows. Probably get PA like that. Okay, that's interesting. We should keep an eye on this. Ah, okay. It expired today. Okay. How much? What the fuck? Holy moly. Yeah, it should be fine. Yesterday seemed more coordinated than anything. Like a mechanical flush. It was like freaking out over the PPI numbers. Like, doesn't change what's happening next month, like whatsoever. And if inflation's worse than it was, why would we all sell our hedges against inflation? Beats me. Don't understand the narrative surrounding that. Doesn't really make much sense. So just felt like a bit of an overreaction, a bit of a mechanical flush for how fast it happened, right? So the goal, the primary goal there was to hit some margin calls. Is it possible for BDC to visit 20K, 120K before more dip? It's possible. It's not impossible. I mean, that's the ideal rejection point of the day, right? So, but at the same time, pretty well guarded towards 119.2. I hate talking numbers like 119, 120. So much harder. But yeah, this would be like the ideal intraday rejection point. Do we get it? I don't know, man. Like, I'm torn between this bouncing like this, and I'm torn between this is the type of PA that this kind of like falls through the floor. So I'm not really sure. But he's gonna lower rates. It's like 92%. He's gonna lower them. So again, like irrational. So like it doesn't change next month's decision. So yeah, higher than expected, quick panic sell your hedge against inflation makes no sense. So coordinated mechanical effort to margin call.
Flavor.
September rate cut for sure.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, pretty much.
And if we're talking next month, there's still a favor of another rate cut in October. Less likely now. It was a bit more like 70-30 last time I checked. But 55-41. So again, like rate cuts are like to justify off one PPI print is just fucking insane to me at this point. Again, we were always right. We were always right about it. Powell just held out. So again, he's playing politics because we always knew that rates should have came down this whole time, but of course waited the entire first half of the year before making this decision. Waited till Q3. So again, like me too. I'll just keep waiting. I'll just keep waiting 6, 7, 8 months until it finally suits my favor to say something. And you know, like it's bullshit. We all know it. Rates could have came down this entire time, and it wouldn't have changed a fucking thing. But yeah. everything's going to be red on the day. Dominance is going to start cranking. Should have a bounce here. If we don't bounce him here, man, everything else is going to fucking take a tumble.
Bounce it.
Very similar vibes. And when did this happen? Yeah. Direct legacy correlation, classic. Dollar weak as hell. Oh, what to do? What to do?
Got 1 minute reversal pattern on BTC. Don't think that's going to be.
It'll bounce him here.
Yeah, I mean, this is. I was preferring like a 5 or a fucking 15, not a 1, but gotta play it.
There's a lot of reasons to suggest. I mean, a lot of exhaustion on intraday time frames. That's on all three over here. ETH, SOL, BTC. But legacy weakness, man, like that's a killer for us. That's a killer for us right now. What spot bag do you have? And yeah, we never trust the first 30 minutes of New York Open. Like, just let it do its thing. But again, it's kind of like where it's rejected from. Equal highs, you know? How Ondo XRP ETH? And, I have no comment. Like, did you buy spot like right here, or like out of all places to buy? Is that where you bought the 2021 highs?
That's crazy. Buying the highs like 0.
No. So when BTC crashed to 98, so when BTC crashed to 98.
Well, you got Mario that's holding Doge from like 70 cents.
98. So June 24th, June 20. So you're worried about your spot bags that are up 100%. I'm sorry. Can we just appreciate the saying when Bitcoin crashed to $98,000? Could we appreciate that statement?
I wouldn't call it a crash, but okay. Nice dip.
Okay, if you're worried it'll get back to your entry, then take some profit, man. Nothing's gonna hurt. You 2x your bag. I mean, like if you're worried, you know, why not just kill that and walk away with something you're happy with? Maybe take your risk off the table. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who says you have to gamble it all? I mean, you just 2x it. You could literally walk away, just leave house money on the table. I mean, it depends. If I check other alts, you can ask Pocky. I'm still not convinced about other alts.
What do you mean other alts?
Someone's asking you to check like veracity and shit.
Oh.
I'm just focused on the majors right now. Sold 10 ETH at 40.50 spot days ago. Nothing wrong with that.
Bounce it.
Nothing wrong with that.
All right, so VRA is like spot only. I don't think you can do leverage. There's no volume.
Because we're calling for 98K now. Interesting.
Got some ranging on the daily.
Yeah, this looks like we're just gonna take out these lows, man. It's so okay.
Yeah, I want to sweep them. Sweep skis because we got levels like 117, 116. Like we got stuff all up in there that we could play.
If we don't bounce here, then we're most likely, stuck in a range. This is going to be a range.
Yep.
124 to 114 or 113. So you're just going to have to play this.
Love it. I love ranges.
It's going to look like this, and it's going to look like this. I mean, it already is looking exactly like this, so.
It did not want to give us a short. There was no clean short setup for me. There's nothing that I like on VRA, to be honest with you, man. I mean, there's no volume on it. It's spot only. You got some pretty big fucking scams on this thing. Looks like exit liquidity. It pumped 350% and then fucking nuked. Retraced the full move, made a lower low. Yeah, fuck this coin.
Bounce or die. Let's go. These are the sweep of the lows.
Bounce it.
I mean, it's giving you every reason to have an intraday bounce. Like every reason is here.
Yeah.
From a technical perspective, we should be getting some intraday relief here. First 30 minutes of New York Open are done, so the scam has been completed. Should have a bounce from here.
CRV.
If not, we fall through the floor.
Yeah, CRV needs a bounce here. It could go as low as like 80.
All right, they're back.
84. It's in a range. Let's take a look a little bit deeper. Want to make sure. Yeah. So it's losing the value area low, but you're forming reversals underneath the range, the value area low. So what you want to see here on lower time frame is this 30-minute form and print on CRV and literally like play 88.54 to 86.16 with the 30-minute bullish divergence. That's what you want to see. So it looked like this. I'll post a chart for you.
Yeah, I'm just away from my screen for like a few minutes.
No worries.
Not that the current dip is because of New York Open. It's just we're very tightly correlated to S&P movements, right? Markets in specific, so it plays a role. Plays a role because when those avenues are closed, we kind of have dead volume. You can see that on the weekends in comparison to the weekdays, so we have to consider it. And we just have like really tight correlations with the SPX, specifically the SPX.
Ooh, we sniped the bottom right there. Let's go. Needs a bounce.
Yeah, it should bounce
Right
from here.
now.
It's the area it should.
If Yeah, if these 17,500s don't hold, I will look to play 17, 16, 5. Yeah, 16.5. The ALU coin has been my last is what I've been trading for the last 24 hours. That is a wild ride. BTC bounced from the 200 EMA 4-hour time frame.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at too.
All
An
right.
area to defend. Yeah.
Sure. It actually Pico Pixel touched the 2-week tapped POC pretty much to the dollar with a 1 and 5 minute bullish divergence. That's the reason why we were playing right there. And if you want to scalp intraday, TP1 is pretty much right now. I mean, the trade invalidation of the trade was 0.23. I don't think you can get much tighter than that. So even with this, it's like that was like a 1R there. Ain't nothing crazy. Oh, H bar got filled. One sec, I gotta.
Cardano, man. Telling you. All right. I'm back. I've returned.
Yay!
Bruh. Looks pumpy, man. Looks pumpy.
FT.
S1 on what? Okay, put a song request.
PRV higher time frame? They don't. Yeah.
Nah, if you leave the music to me, I'm gonna play Cold 45, bro.
72.16 and lower. PRV.
If we lose this range, if we lose those levels that we were just talking about, like 86, yeah, probably start looking.
No. I'm washed, bro. Like, I'm actually washed.
What?
Crazy. I'm so washed. Oh my god.
What happened? What is that? What is it?
It's the Charles Hoskinson Sonson coin.
Oh, come on, Biddy.
Fucking fat Harry Potter. It's just the area where you would expect a response. You know, the lows have been swept, but really, to reclaim this is more important. Somebody, you're looking for like a W bottom here. It'll look something like that. Yeah, send a music link. I'll play it in the background.
Oh, damn. All right then.
Honestly, intraday trend is mostly risk off. 120 is where you should expect like prime rejection, and if it's really really weak,
Here.
you know, we'll take out these lows, and that's where I have to look, unfortunately. But the pivots are so wide today because of yesterday's dump that we're most likely just gonna bullshit around here.
Range.
It's pretty much, yeah, it's untradeable for me. If we're gonna be stuck over here all day, then untradeable. But
If
if
it
we get
ranges,
112,
that'll be good for your alt.
no,
Right.
not at. I don't think at this stage. I think BDC weakness
No,
will hurt everything.
because fucking alts could be some pull back pretty deep. For a weekend pump.
Hmm. Bro, what is it with our streams being like a time loop where we're just kind of like stuck in time and nothing ever happens anymore? Like, what the fuck, bro? It's probably going to be like just had a terrific meeting, you know, with President Putin. So great, in fact. Trust me.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a really good. Okay.
Ooh, an ADE set. Oh boy. Yeah, it's gonna be like, trust me. Brilliant conversation, terrific conversation. He's a tough guy, so tough. Only I can deal with him.
Said I was gonna get it done. I got it done. Oh, good old Donnie. Fucking Don.
So we're working towards a deal. We want to make a deal. He wants to make a deal. Trust me.
Deal's done.
We're going to make a
Said it.
deal. I told him he can't
Make-
do that. He says, I know, but I gotta.
Make America great again.
How's it going to affect the charts? I don't think it matters.
Oh, we got some alert. We got a soul reversal setting up, but it will need to sweep tomorrow. Yesterday's close. So that is a sweep reclaim. It looks like you also have the same thing on BTC. No, not. Look.
Oh, that's some boiler room shit, bro. Oh, yeah. The boiler room shit, bro. Mm.
All right, there we go. TP1, BT1 off. 20%.
CRV 15 minute. Yeah, man. I feel like Ada's gonna fucking send from here, man. Like it just, oh, man. I don't know. I'm not doing it. But. I mean, it's.
Yep.
I don't trade this. Would rather see a pop. Take the trade. I've just heard the same 4x4 beat. I can't listen to
120?
minimal techno, man. Like I can't. This is like minimal techno.
About 133 and 155. Helping?
Who what? What Pock?
He said 120. I said
For
how
what?
about 133, 155. Oh, I don't know. I'm assuming.
For what pairing? What Ada? Okay.
BTC.
BDC. Did you say 113?
No, I said 133, 155.
Oh. Ooh.
He just wanted 120. Like, nah,
Play one of my songs? Nah, too shy for that. Metatron. Don't hit 120. I'm suing y'all. Oh my god.
what? Ish. I need my cookies. Because without my cookies, I'm just a monster.
This sounds like I'm at a spa, bro. I made music for a long time, guys. I toured and everything. Fun fact. Mostly dance. There I am, right there. 5 million. Oh my god. 11 years ago. Oh my goodness. Holy moly. Hard trance. Oh boy. All right, come on, bounce, man. I'm bored.
Yeah, dude. I mean, dude, let's go. Oh, whoa! I got an alert on TRX too. Okay. You know what, guys? I think we got a short to a long on TRX. Let me double check. The RR is there. It is not. Never mind. Come on, BTC. I want low. I want to sweep. Oh damn. H bar is about to get stopped out. Break even. Babaluski. I don't know. I would like to play 117 5, 16 5 with a 15 or 30-minute bullish divergence. That's what I was for today.
Hmm.
My long's about to get stopped out. Break even.
Dominance crank, boys.
Yeah, that's what my alts just got fucking shit on.
Looks like if this goes up, it's most likely because this suffers the least amount of drawdown, and this is gonna get destroyed. That's how I see it. Phase one.
Yeah, we need one more higher high on dominant. Get that big ass bearish divergence on fucking dominance. Oh man, alts will definitely party.
Hmm. Hmm. This trend looks weaker and weaker. I mean, realistically, I want to bounce. Like, it feels like we're just doing this. The same fractal, man. Let us see. January, so you on like the 1 minute chart or something? Just let things do its thing, man. This bounce could take a while, if there is one. Again, it really depends on this. Like if this just falls through the floor, which it can. Like if there's like holding like this, then it looks like that, then everything else is going to look like this. Like, but it all depends on this, because if this falls through, then yeah, everything else is going to get absolutely massacred. So tread lightly. That's what I would say. Just tread lightly. The last thing you want is for it to do what it did right here. Although it does feel like it's going to do exactly that. I can't lie. Like, it's a hunch, but even though like I'm expecting a move up here, but like I don't see much more to knock out. I mean, rates are pretty flat. They're nothing too crazy anymore.
Gold definitely looks like it wants to go a little bit lower. I don't know, man. I think I want to buy the dip today. So
I think our streams are just cursed. I don't know how many streams we just get on and it's just like movement like this for 2 hours, and then we get off stream and it either does this or this.
I know, and I think we started stream earlier because there was a trend where the move was happening before we started. Now it's the trend, the move is happening after we get off. So that's pretty funny.
Yeah, it's like I don't know. Like,
Data. Data.
oh. What if, guys? What if? What if, man? What?
Say it.
Like, I'm not sure the maximum amount of pain you would see if that actually happens again. Like what if, bro? That's all I'm gonna say.
What if what?
I mean, it's on the chart. I'm not gonna say it. Could you imagine?
I don't even know what I'm looking at. You want to retest Tariq's freedom level?
No, I'm just saying, like, what if? Like, what if? Like,
It's top.
like what if it looks like this?
Oh, yeah, the
Could
top.
you imagine?
Oh, okay, yeah. I was wondering. I was like, what the fuck are you talking about? Oh, the top. Yeah,
Could you guys fucking imagine if that were the case? Like, could you imagine?
different this time.
I didn't hear any flipping talk, so we're good with that. And most people I saw were like actually quite salty that ETH went up. So that's a good sign. That's a good sign. I'll be honest. It was like I didn't hear anybody in my ear talking about the flipping and all this shit, and I didn't hear anything about that. So that's good.
Just my ass desaying from 3,000 to 2,000, and then it going back up to above 3, round tripping it completely, not getting back in, and now looking at ETH at where it's at. That is me.
I've held that
That's
for
horrible.
over 2 years. So yeah, like I'm in a position to just walk away, but I'm not going to. I already waited this long. I'll wait even longer. But
Oh, I know
Yeah.
what you're talking about. INJ.
no, even ETH. ETH, man, I bought 3,100, I bought 2,800, I bought 2,070. Like I made like 4 different spot purchases, and I never bought 1,500 though or 1,600. I just thought, okay, it's dead.
I'm a ding dong. I bought under 1,000, sold it in the 2s. Bought some more and then sold it and then got into on chain.
I still remember this. I bought here. I bought here. I bought here. And then I bought here. And then didn't buy the rest. So those are like all my ETH purchases for the past almost 2 years. There's no way these rocks are coming back, man. Like this is all laundering. It was all laundering. I'm convinced it's money laundering. Money laundering. That's what it is. Just a way to clean and wash money. It's the only thing that makes sense. I'm bored.
Yep.
Is it SPX that's fucking us today? Yes, it is. Mind you, it hasn't been that bad. To be completely honest with you, it's pretty normal. Normal beans. Yeah, we're sorry for the boring stream, guys. Not much to do. I think this is gonna fall through, though.
Yeah. Let's get a 15 or 30 minute, a little bit lower. Bullish divergence, at least retest the range that we're going to lose right now. If we reclaim it, then I think we should be good for a flip of one or up to 120, then flip 122. Impossible short. Sunday night.
Ruh-roh. Okay. Please, sir, bounce me from my family. We need to do like some sort of ritual, bro, to get our streams moving again, because this is unacceptable. This is unacceptable.
Okay. If next week it's boring, we're going to do some conspiracy theory talk. So that way the following week will be parabolic.
Are aliens real? Question mark.
Yes, that's the plan. But I'm gonna actually, you know what? I'm gonna go eat before I start these one-on-ones. I can't. I'm not the one to just stare at it.
You getting off?
Yeah, I'm gonna get off. This will.
The second you said
crazy.
you're getting off, no way you said that, and the market starts showing signs of life.
Aha.
I'm serious. No way you just said that.
So what if I say, okay, I'm gonna stay? That means it's gonna go back down.
Yeah, talk about how like you just want to observe for the next 30 minutes, see how it goes.
What? Oh my god, my eyes would be bleeding if I just sat here and looked at a chart.
That's good stuff, Pocky. Keep it up.
Oh man. So if anyone's in longs and underwater, should I just leave then? And so it could like literally pump and save you guys?
longer you stay,
do
the
that?
more fucking showing heaviness.
Oh no! Somebody wants me to
Nah,
stay.
stick around.
We got a short. We got shorts. People are like, stay. You're long. So we're like 50-50 right now. Oh shoot. Nope, there's more shorts. Oh, whoa, look at all the shorts. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Okay, I like that GMC. That's what I'm thinking. We can go lower, but only lower to long. I'm long, but stay. So Muse wants lower to get filled more is my assumption. Nope. That's too funny.
I already told you where I'm targeting. If it bounces here, it's towards 120. My pivot 200 EMA. That would be the mean slash buy. So the day, that's where I would expect it to flip. If it flips, it's strength. If it rejects, well, you know what to expect. It's just a downtrend after.
All right. I'm going to go eat before I start these trainings. You have a wonderful weekend, brother. WG, have a good weekend, guys.
Take care, Pock.
You too, man. It's been a pleasure. Catch everyone
Yes,
later.
sir. I'll see you next week. Same time. Same place. No way he leaves like that in the middle of my farewell. What? Okay, let's test the Pocky theory. If he left, this should move up like in rapid succession. All right, am I really going to babysit for the next 25 minutes or do I get off too? I don't know. I just have to strike and feel it, and the second I get off, it moves up. Open the stage up? Nah. There's no way. There's no way we do that. Okay, fine. We'll stick around. We'll stick around for like another 10-ish minutes, I guess. Kike joined who is Pocky's assistant. How did that come to be, by the way? Come on, boy. Let's go. All right, while we wait for this to bounce. Should be getting a bounce, man. Like there's no reason for it not to. I've been playing piano since I was like 4 years old, by the way. What up, Chad? Chad, were you born with the name Chad? Because I don't think I've ever met a baby named Chad or Craig. I got a word called Beer Back. Why can't anybody ever answer that question? If they were Chad, named Chad as a baby. So it's like, I gotta go. I do not have an account anywhere where I post my playing. Too shy for that shit, man. Market waiting for statement from Trump and Putin. I doubt that, man. I doubt that really much. I cannot confirm, Kike. I cannot. It's right here. All the shit is from, my God, 10 years ago or more. Holy moly. I don't understand if we see heat map liquidity, so much liquidity up there, 19,500. Yeah, it makes sense. It's towards 120K. Makes a lot of sense. I mean, they're trying to push. Like, it's attempting. Definitely spot purchases. Just, again, I don't see any dramatic. I mean, it's Coinbase. It's mostly Coinbase. Yeah, mostly Coinbase, those dirty pigs. PA recently is fragile as fuck. Do you think so? I don't think so. I think it's just, my guy, you've had a relentless uptrend since the breaking of the 2800 range. Like you've had a relentless uptrend. BTC's in price discovery. Shit gets a bit wonky in price discovery. Nobody really knows the true value or the true worth of what it is. So it starts getting very, very illiquid. And yeah, Sam, if you're Australian, that means you're asleep during like the most volatile market trading hours, right? So it's normal. It's not, market's not against you. It's just New York is trade world hours, you know? It could always seem that way. Yeah, I don't know about this. Looks cooked, fam. Intraday looks cooked. Oh boy. Clean rejections off the pivot 200 EMA. Nothing. Should be getting a response here, but not getting anything. For all I know, it could do this, and then you get our relief like this, and it looks like this all fucking day. Like, I have a feeling we're doing this. Like, just call it a hunch. We should have had like a really strong response by now. Never trust weekend moves. Never. Volume's irregular. It's unusual. Aberrant. Yeah, it's more SP 500 correlation than anything else. Like everybody's always gonna put in their heads, oh, it's because PPI, oh, it's because of this, because of that. It's just, you know. You already know what he's gonna say, guys. Just got off the phone with Putin. Just finished meeting Putin. Had a terrific day. He wants to make a deal. I'm gonna make a deal. We're gonna make a deal. He's a tough guy. Why do charts look like we're still falling? I mean, just gotta zoom out a bit, my friend. Markets move, they breathe in and out. more Bitcoin dominance you should be a bit worried about here. Because if it wants to mean revert up, that could be pretty problematic. Yeah, you would definitely say that. You would absolutely say that. Long limit would be above 120 or down here. I like to avoid S1, S2. Not a lot of shit happens, as you can see. Imagine trying to trade this, drive yourself insane. For ETH, it's a bit more complicated than that. Again, same sort of intraday risk off sort of thing. The problem is, if you were to reclaim this, I still can't take it. So it's a bit more problematic. And I guess that makes sense because you're so close to the previous all-time highs. Like, it doesn't make sense to like start shoving longs into previous all-time highs. You'd rather just wait for a break above. And for Solana, I mean, that's as clear as a rejection you'll ever get. You'll lose these lows. We're going way, way, way more down. Probably look towards here, which is in line with my S3. And that's what I would look to trade. S1, S2 can go fuck itself. There's usually nothing good that comes of it. Just chop consolidation. Nothing really happens. But yeah, that's it. Like, you gotta stay patient a bit. Like today, for the past 4 or 5, for the past 4 or 5 days, you've had like relentless rallies. Like, it's okay to just chill now, let things come to you, and definitely do not force things. The second you force things, especially this high up, you just gotta wait for things to settle. Use a pivot point standard on these settings, and yeah, I think we're gonna fall below. It's just the thing that makes the most sense here. I don't know. There should have been like a way stronger response than this, especially with ETF flows. Like, it's kind of low. Like, this is very, very low volume for a New York session. And in comparison to the rest of the days, like, ETF flows have been kind of slow too. So that in mind. What I think is probably going to get like a nice little scoop back up. BTC is going to drop as a result of it, but it's going to retain the most capital. These are going to hurt pretty bad because of how high up they are. But that's going to give Bitcoin more dominance. And it's just a flush. It's a phase 1 flush. There's a reason why my name hasn't changed. Yeah, here we go. It's just an intraday trend, Januarist. Like, you wait to see what happens. Like, this would be like the max rejection point for the intraday, right? But it doesn't have to go there. It could just be extremely weak and reject at these highs, which is more or less what it looks like. It's at the absolute lows right now. So if it can't hold here, we most likely fall into this S1, S2 level, and we're going to chop consolidate a bit. It's just not worth our time. We don't look to trade that or pay attention to it. And if it gets really, really bad, you look at S3, which is a mean reversion area, and you look to target these two. It doesn't have to go to 120. It could just fucking dick around. There's a reason why we don't touch anything in between this, because again, it's too unpredictable. Long-term target, what's my target for ETH? I would assume much, much higher than 2021 highs. Like at least double. At least double that. When the time is right. I still don't believe we're... Don't you think it's possible to hit 115? I just said it, January's. Like, it doesn't have... Like, I'll say it again. Like, it doesn't have to come here. It's just... It's the max opportune level for sellers to defend. And this is the lows before assuming these said levels. So if there's an area to bounce with our oscillator here, we have a lot of reason to assume we can get a bearish retest like that. It can go to 115. It can go to S2. But I choose to avoid this because it's unpredictable. And my system doesn't permit a trade in this area because it doesn't tell me anything. It could do this. It could do that. I don't make an action in between. So I reassess. Price goes to an area where I deem it to have an operation that could be conducted, or even lower where I assume mean reversion off people that are playing in between here. They get stop hunted. It'll be somewhere towards here. It's very, very likely you could do that. That's all I'm trying to say. It's like in between, anywhere underneath the pivot 200 EMA when it's crossed over like this, any price action in this area all the way down to S3 is something I avoid because it's not reliable whatsoever. And I have data to prove it. There are people that operate in these two levels. They do. They operate in them all the time. I choose to ignore it because it's not consistent enough. It's not reliable enough. I don't find a common denominator whenever I try to look for trades in this area. I just see inconsistent results. So I ignore it. Because 95% of the time, or I should say maybe based on data, it's more like 85% of the time, it's just going to do this. And the only time I find something consistent is between the pivot and the S3 level. Hopefully that makes sense. Yeah, this is gonna roll over. Just screams that it's gonna roll over. Like, this is gonna fall off a cliff. If it doesn't hold from here, it's gonna fall off a cliff. ETH will fall off a cliff if it doesn't hold. So like, this is like the last stand, boys. If not, we're gonna have a pretty deep pullback, at least in my opinion. Doesn't have to happen, but it definitely looks like it will. All right, guys. I'm gonna head off. Thanks for joining, guys. Sorry for the first hour. It was kind of like motionless, and of course, now that we have to get off, it's finally gonna make a move. You guys know how this has been going for the past month or so. So every time we're about to get off, things start to move. So just remember what I said. You know, if you follow how I trade, we usually ignore this bullshit over here. Because the pivots are so wide, you're probably gonna get moves from here. Just because, again, the pivots are so wide that you know, hitting S3 in a single trade session is probably not likely. But if it does, you know what to do. S1, S2, you kind of just want to let the dust settle. I mean, so many liquidations over the past 36 hours. If you get a bounce from here, which is the absolute lows, just know that, you know, you would expect some sort of reaction towards the pivot 200 EMAs, and that goes for all three of the majors, right? So you guys know what to do. Just you know, pay attention to these lows if they're taken out, which it looks like they will. Just keep in mind as well that once the stabs down, expect a pretty sharp response. That's what you should be expecting. So that being said, guys, I'll be stepping off. I'll see you guys same time, same place next week. And yeah. All right, trade safe, guys. Have a good weekend, and don't go crazy. Don't get impatient. Just let things come to you, or else you're gonna get hurt. You know. All right, guys. Take care. Signing off.